When lockdown was imposed across the nation in an unprecedented move by the central government, there was one issue that moved the entire nation. It was the migrant crisis. Millions of workers who left their home to work in various states, providing a whole range of important activities and contributing to the smooth running of this nation, attempted a mass exodus back home. The crisis that coronavirus brought affected them the most, and they felt that it was safer to go back to their villages rather than stay in cities in a different state. Seva Bharati and other such welfare organizations stepped up to help these migrant workers. Health was of primary concern for the migrant workers. They showed initiative to follow social distance, wear masks, and follow health rules. Thousands of masks have been made and distributed to them. Awareness had been created on hygiene in Kishora Vikas Kendras. Habitations and houses of migrant workers in the vicinity have been identified and special attention paid to sanitation in those places. Sanitary material for personal hygiene has been gathered at one place. Sanitary kits were assembled and handed over to the families of migrant workers. Where there was illness pertaining to the virus, medicines have been distributed as per doctor's advice. Medical kits have also been assembled with basic medicines. And all along with all these measures, some other important things were done to ensure that migrant workers do not face difficulties as soon as they get back. Groceries and essential household items were put together into ration kits and given to the traveling workers. Volunteers plunged into action, went looking for migrant workers and helped them, even while they took all precautions pertaining to corona. On the other hand, there was serious concern about the health condition of the migrant workers who came to villages from the cities.
శివ భారత్ నాకు 5 కిలో బియ్యం ఇచ్చారు, నాకు సాయ చేశారు, నాకు పేదది ఎవరు ఆధారం ఉప్పు ఇచ్చారు, పప్పు ఇచ్చారు, నూనె ఇచ్చారు, చక్కెర ఇచ్చారు, చింతపండు ఇచ్చారు, చాపత్తి ఇచ్చారు, సోపు ఇచ్చారు, చేయి కడుకొని సోపు అలాగే బట్టల సోపు అలాగే అన్నీ ఇచ్చారు.
సేవా భారత్ నుంచి ఇక్కడ మనం 150 కిట్ల వరకు ఇచ్చినామండి. అందులో 10 కిలోల బియ్యము, 2 కిలోల పప్పు, 1 కిలో నూనె, చింతపండు 1 కిలో, కిలో పాకెట్లు పప్పు, నిత్యావసర వస్తువులన్నీ ఇక్కడ అందజేయడం జరిగింది బస్సుకి.
Seva Bharati and other organizations took care of this issue too. A call center was set up to answer doubts. Whenever and wherever somebody had symptoms of corona, more than 100 medical experts were available and would advise poor and needy about their health. Local volunteers helped the poor to avail hospital services wherever necessary.
So there the Seva Bharati Telangana has come up with an idea that we can use technology, leverage the benefits of technology in reaching out to the masses, and that too in the very interior places of tribal areas and even in city slums also. So for that reason we bought a technology, we customized it, and the special aspect of technology is that any patient with a symptom can call from anywhere in the state. When the call is received by the receiver, all the data relating to the patient is recorded in the system and we generate a digital health record.
Local volunteers have been working to provide employment and income to migrant workers when they return to their native villages. Children have been getting school admissions, though they have no certificates. This is how rural India embraced the migrant workers and took care of them.